a nurse is resilient.
Being a nurse is amazing.
Being a nurse is inspiring.
Being a nurse is tough, but very rewarding.
Being a nurse is rewarding because I get to help people in their most difficult times, and I get to also help their families through that difficult time.
Being a nurse is rewarding, and the opportunities are endless.
I get to see the patient on the worst day of their lives, and if I can just be that shining light that either treats their pain really well or treats them as a human, that's the most rewarding part to me.
I love being a pediatric nurse because I'm making a difference in children's lives.
I love being an ER nurse because no day is the same.
I really enjoy being a med-surg nurse because you spend a lot of time with your patients and you really get to know them as people.
I love being a maternity nurse because I get to make a difference in the patient's stay.
I love being a flight nurse because I get to critically think. I learn and grow every day. Every time I come to work, I learn something. And who doesn't love flying in a helicopter? It's the coolest part.
They come to us and they're sick or they're hurting, and our job is to help fix that.
We take care of illnesses and injuries. We stabilize patients. Sometimes we need to transfer them to a higher level of care, to a trauma center.
So every day can be different here in maternity, whether you have somebody coming in for an induction or they're just coming in because they naturally went into labor.
In a typical day, I do physical assessments on all my patients, I look up their history, I pass medications, and the entire day is all about collaborating with every one of the healthcare team, whether it's inpatient doctors, physical therapy, occupational therapy, to even speech.
We are so good at what we do in emergency medicine and catching that and stabilizing those patients when they need it the most.
It takes strong dedication to the work. It takes the passion to continue to be the best nurse that you can be for your patients.
There's a lot of different paths you can go down. So if you start to kind of not want a path, you got plenty of other paths to go down. You're gonna use your critical thinking skills every day.
Getting such different patients all the time, it helps you want to come to work.
It really is an ever-changing thing, and not only just with the titles that you can get and the different degrees that you can get, but with just the different things that you can do.
I knew that this was the career for me when I did a job shadow, actually in a NICU back home. And I just heard them giving reports, nurse-to-nurse report, and there was a lot of science in their report. Things about their potassium levels, their electrolytes, the medications that they were giving. And that caught my eye, and I was like, oh, I could really love this.
My interest in healthcare as a career started when my mom actually did a phlebotomy class, and then I did the same phlebotomy class, and then from being through clinicals and being in the hospital setting, it really drew me in to want to continue my career in the field.
When my father underwent a procedure, I just really liked seeing the care that the nurses gave him while he was here during his stay, and it sparked an interest in me and made me realize that that was something that I wanted to do.
If you're interested in healthcare, a good place to start is talking to like your school advisors. They typically have something they can help you with in high school to enroll in, whether it be like college programs, college classes, or like health classes.
I got started as an EMT volunteering in my community growing up. I took the EMT class when I was 17. A lot of our schools in the state of Iowa have college classes that they offer. I got started in medical terminology, not knowing a thing about healthcare, and that really helped kind of create that interest.
I find it really rewarding that I've been able to move up so much in my career with UnityPoint.
If you want to learn and grow throughout your full career from the start to finish, you should work at UnityPoint Health. They have great opportunities for growth in many different units. You can change units 5 years into your career or 25 years into your career.
You're able to exceed and go further here at the hospital. They have excellent programs that can help get you through schooling, that can help you further your education.
Like, you wake up and everybody wants to have a good day, but like, even if you wake up and you're in a terrible mood, like, you go to work and you're making a difference in somebody's day, regardless, automatically, just by going to work.